Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have some Wisely product here, and I know what this one is. It doesn't say it on the box. The box really is pretty indescript, but I know what it is because I ordered this. And if we look at it here, we can see there's the boxes. It comes with 3 inside of here. We'll open up here, we'll take out the middle one, and we'll see what this paper is in here. Got some safety instructions. Okay, and bug zapper. So right now it's getting to be summertime and it's getting hot and yucky outside, and what comes with hot and yucky are bugs. So this is what I have to combat that, and this is what it looks like here. It's made by Wisely. It has the little emblem on there, and if we look at it, it's got a silver thing there, so if during the day you can sit there and leave it silver powering to recharge, or it comes with a Usbc charger, so USB to USB-C, so it'll charge with some of the newest technologies. That's good. So you know it's a newer product when it starts to use the USB-C stuff, which is good. And then here we have the hook. So this will give us, so if you have a hook already, you can just tie it onto that, or if you want to put it onto some string, or look at this. Look at this neat little thing it's got. It's got a little hook there. So if you already have a string or a branch, you can just hook it onto there. And what's cool is it comes with 3 of these, so you can put them around your campsite. Hopefully I'll be going camping soon. It's supposed to rain this weekend, so I won't be. And then here you can see it says charging even. It even tells you that's where the charging is. And it's in a little rubber container there. And let's see where the button, and you see here, there's the little button to turn it on. And if you I think you just hold it down for a couple of seconds. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. If I put my light over there, it's a blue light that's going on inside of there. And I'm guessing the zapper is on at this point. I'm afraid to touch it, so I don't want to get zapped. But it seems like that's gonna work pretty good. And it's kind of cool that it works off the batteries and you can put it outside of the campground. So this looks really nice, and it's nice and plastic and durable, and it's not gonna go anywhere. Happen to. And I know, like, to clean it, I saw somewhere in one of these directions, or maybe it was just on their website, it said to clean it, you can just rinse it off even too, so it's kind of waterproof. Oh yeah, here's the instructions. Let's see. Yeah, it basically tells us how to turn it on and off, and yeah, it basically explains it all. If you have any questions, you can pause this and zoom in on it. But yeah, so make sure it's turned off when you clean it, and then rinse under the faucet or the garden hose. Pretty super easy, and it'll charge by solar or the USB, and the battery charges in 2 hours, and the indicator light changes from red to green. I guess when you're charging it here, it's got a little indicator light that changes. So it seems pretty cool. I like it. So thumbs up from me. I mean, I can't wait to put these around the campsite and give them a use. So I also got some other ones, so stay tuned because those ones are even cooler than that. But it's the same company. So I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick them up from Wisely yourself. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thank you, bye.